Today I'm going to show you how to charge a Tesla using an adapter. But before we get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to open up the charging cover. I just simply go to the screen and tap the charging cover, or I can go outside of the vehicle and press down the charging cover and it'll open. So once I've done that, I can exit the vehicle. I'm currently at a Whole Foods and they have free charging. So you can see that is where the charger goes into. And I'm going to the charging station right here. It says free charging. There are some instructions on the side of this, and it's important that you read all of the instructions on how to charge your Tesla, both with this charging station and with the owner's manual for the Tesla before you charge your vehicle. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and charge my vehicle. So I have the charging cable to plug into my vehicle. And as you can see, it doesn't quite fit. So I'm going to have to use an adapter in order to charge my Tesla. So I happen to have an adapter with inside my Tesla. So I'm inside and I'll grab the adapter. And with the adapter I'm showing you, I'm going to go ahead and plug it in first into the socket right there. Now, you don't need an adapter at a Tesla charging station. However, this is not a Tesla charging station, so you will need an adapter. After I have the adapter in, I'm going to take the same charging cable and plug it into the adapter, and it fits. And you can see the blue light to the left of the charging cable. It blinks, and it should turn green when it begins charging, as it is right now. I'm going to step inside of my vehicle and show you that it's currently charging. If you look up onto the monitor, you'll see that it is charging. And that's how you charge your Tesla, using an adapter at a non-Tesla charging station. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.